I'm getting replaced. I'm an optimistic guy, but that was genuinely my first thought when I saw this video by Sora. What do you see when you look at this video? Well, I see a dog that's going from windowsill to windowsill, and it's even a little hesitant because it's so high up. Did you see that none of this is real? This video was entirely generated by AI with OpenAI's new project Sora, which is crazy because a year ago, AI was producing videos like this. Dude, it's so easy to get existential about stuff like this because I'm a content creator and I'm an engineering student, and if AI is able to make convincing video like this, it's not a far leap to think that it could replace most knowledge work, including engineers. But there's already enough fear about this technology out there, so I wanted to provide an optimistic take. Historically, art has been a luxury both in its creation and its consumption. As technology has allowed the global standard of living to increase, it's also proliferated the tools of creation. I mean, shit, 50 years ago, a camera was prohibitively expensive, not to mention developing the skill of cinematography in the age of film. But now everyone's got a camera in their pocket. In the same way that smartphones democratize communication, AI is democratizing creativity, removing the barriers between what's in your head and what you can get on the canvas.